Hey everyone. So I'm working on my truck. It is October 22nd, 2018. I am working on my stereo installation, and I've always wanted to do a couple other things to my truck at the same time. I'm into robotics, programming little microcontrollers, all that type of stuff. I want to put on some onboard sensors and whatnot. And I'm working on some routing, and I have a little tip to share. Okay. So, here is my dash. It's all torn apart, all these wires. I'm almost done making all the connections. And so I have this dash sensor up here for the light. This helps with, the headlights and all that. So I've ran all these, I know it's kind of crazy on top of my dash. All these different cords, right? Yeah, I'm a nerd. It's fine. And one of the challenges I had is I had to run these two cords right here, and they're not soft. They're too soft, and the saying of "can't push rope" comes into play here. So my tip is tape them together at the top here, and if you twist them, this will increase the rigidity and stiffness. And so this, by twisting it, was allowing me to, right in there, I don't know if you can see it, the cords from the top go down and they shove right into that little gap right there, and it allowed me to push them all the way through, not get caught, and underneath that support beam right there. And then, boom, here we go. It was easy peasy. All right, that's all.